Say bye-bye.
But this nigga's so smart.
Say bye-bye. 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 Hello. Say hello. Nigga, you gonna say hello now?
Over at R.Thomas.
Hello. Hello. Oh man, fuck you too. You trying to bite a nigga, you slick ass.
I'm gonna try to beg you to talk. Hello.
Hey, he's pretty than a motherfucker too.
You got like a peach color. That when you get your top class pamper now and put you on.
Yeah, he fucking with R.Thomas and the line of
Every money short love.
Oh, so you get two of them right there. The next one right there. Hello. 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 Yeah. Hello. Hello. Oh, he say it, nigga. That nigga say pretty bird. Nigga, you know it'd be the funny part? You know how they talk about what shit called incarnation?
Yeah.
He must come back as parrots.
How you doing, buddy? Hey, buddy.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Look at you. You think you so slick? Hey, let's let's bust a move, nigga.
Ain't nobody want to play with you.